Enhancing your gaming visuals with Reshade and got an HRP preset to try? These contain custom shader configurations for the Hydrus profile system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these Hydrus Reshade preset files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky HRP errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. Users of the Hydrus Network Media Manager find point HRP files when they want to apply or share custom visual effects for viewing images and videos. The file contains settings for Reshade, a post-processing tool, and the user's goal is to load this preset to enhance their media viewing experience. The HRP file is a plain text configuration file, likely in an INI or similar key-value pair format. This design allows for easy creation, editing, and sharing among users. It contains references to specific shaders and the parameter values needed to replicate a particular visual look within the Hydrus application. Windows registers the HRP file as an opener for Hydrus Network developed by Hydrus developer. Windows can show the file exists but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows cannot ensure settings are correct, so adjusting values is best done cautiously. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the HRP file and hit Open With. Use Hydrus Network if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If you still can't open the HRP file, it's okay. The HRP file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, installing the preset. Copy the HRP file to your game's Reshade installation directory, typically in the Reshade presets folder. Launch the game with Reshade active and open the in-game Reshade overlay using the configured hotkey, usually Home key. Select the HRP preset from the preset selector, and Reshade applies the visual configuration immediately. Next, editing in text editor. Open HRP files in any text editor for inspection or manual modification. The plain text format displays shader names and parameter values, clearly enabling targeted adjustments without using the in-game interface. Save changes and reload in the game to test modifications. Backup original presets before editing to enable easy revert. Finally, sharing presets. Distribute HRP files to other Reshade users by sharing the file directly, or uploading to community sites such as Nexus Mods or Reshade preset repositories. Recipients install the preset using the standard Reshade installation process. Document required shaders and game-specific notes when sharing for users to obtain matching shader files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.